Hello everybody. This is a PSA, public service announcement. This is regarding a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you're installing a hitch, this particular one, this is a Curt Hitch for a 2020 Santa Fe. So far, I'm installing this one in the car, and I just ran up against something that I find curious, and I wanted to share it with everybody, anybody interested. This Curt Hitch in the car, the fit is absolutely flawless. Very simple, painless to install. The included hardware, everything goes in, instructions, pictures, everything is very simple to follow. Very simple installation within the grasp of anybody with a set of wrenches and sockets. However, it is very simple up to the point of bringing the spare tire back up. To install the hitch, let me back up a little so you can see what we're doing. We're in the back of the car, obviously where the hitch goes. Looking forward is that way. So to install the hitch, spare tire has to be dropped temporarily. Once the hitch is done, installed, you want to put the tire back up. Now, the shape of the hitch is such that you have a tube going from the driver's side that attaches to the frame rail or to the unibody. You have a tube going from that side to the center, and from this side it gets interrupted by the muffler. The exhaust of the car is on the passenger side on the right. So they have this plate that jumps over the muffler and attaches to the frame rail. So here's the plate that goes up and it goes across over the muffler and attaches to the frame rail over on that side. You can see the mounting bolts there and over there, whatever. Now, it so happens that this plate here has so much clearance between it and the muffler that it lands square on that thing. This thing here is the winch mechanism for raising your spare tire. See the cable? That's what the tire is hanging from. That goes up to here, comes across, and here's the mechanism to wind it up or down. Now this plate, check it out. You have a wonderful view of this thing, but you're supposed to drive this. The tool that comes with the car goes at this hexagon drive piece over here. It comes straight up. It's a long piece that comes to hook up into here and wind the tire up or down. Except once you install the hitch, that piece gets obscured, stays behind the plate. So if you want it to come up with the tool straight up into that piece, it's obscured by the hitch. Now, I believe that there's plenty of space on this side of the plate. Even if you wiggle the muffler back and forth, there's still a lot of room here. They could have shifted this plate over a little to clear the tool to get to your spare tire. And I'm bringing this up because if you install the hitch and don't realize that, once you install this hitch, you lose access to your spare tire. The hitch kills your access to that piece to be able to drop your spare tire. You installed the hitch, you just lost access to your spare tire. Curt, I hope you watch this, or somebody at least brings it up to your attention. You either need a hole on that plate to still maintain access to that drive, or shift the plate over to clear that, or in the meantime, if you put one of these style hitches that blocks access to your spare tire winch over there, get an 11mm or 7/16 ratcheting wrench. Buy an individual one, keep it in the car, because that now, let's see, there we go. That will allow you to squeeze up in there and drive the tire even if the piece is obscured behind that plate. But if you don't have this tool with you, you ain't getting to your spare tire. There, 11mm or 7/16 ratcheting wrench. Buy one dedicated to the car, keep it in the car, keep your access to your spare tire. Alright, again, this is for a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe with a Curt Hitch. Just sharing some experience. Alright, see you guys. I hope it helps.